Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's Mako Front Bumper skid plate for Jeep's 2018 to current JL Wrangler and 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Step 1. Remove your existing front bumper and skid plate and install our Mako Front Bumper. Links to our instruction videos to help you are included in the description below. Step 2. Slide one of the included bolts with washers into one of the top 6 skid plate holes. Secure the plate into the equivalent Mako bumper hole with a second washer and nut to hold it in place while you work. Step 3. With your factory skid plate mounting bolts, secure the 2 plate brackets to the frame with a 16mm socket. Step 4. Continue to install the included hardware into the remaining 5 skid plate and Mako bumper holes. With a 5mm Allen key and a 13mm wrench, secure the skid plate to the bumper. Enjoy your new Fishbone Offroad Mako Bumper skid plate.